alongside my daughters Madison and Charlie, we are going to be showing you how to make these cute Easter bunnies. Now for this project, we are going to just need our clay and our little clay play tool set, along with a little bit of water again. 3 balls. One is going to be the bunny's tail, one's going to be bunny's head, and one's going to be bunny's body. That's right. I have just pulled off a little bit of clay from each of their pieces, as we'll need a little bit of clay for ears and details like eyes, etc. So let's begin. So from here, the girls are going to take their biggest piece of clay and they're going to roll out their bunnies' bodies. So between the palms of their hands, just like Charlotte's showing us now, and rolling. If your hands are a little bit smaller like Madison's, you can pop it on that board, that's the one, Maddie, and roll it around. Next, the girls are just going to tap their bodies just to give it a nice flat surface. Just one side, Maddie. Yep, like Charlotte's done here. Nice flat surface so that our bunnies aren't going to run away on us. That's the one, so pop it down. From here, the girls are going to scratch up the top of their bodies using any one of the wooden tools that have got a bit of a spiky edge to them. Beautiful. So once we've done that, we're going to just set that to the side and we're going to take the head of our bunny and we're going to roll him into a nice smooth ball, and we're going to scratch that ball up, score that ball up, and we were going to stick it to our body. Okay, so here we're just going to make a little bit of slip, which is going to act as our glue to stick our heads to our bodies. So Charlotte here is just pulling a little bit of leftover clay, and we're just going to add it into that water, and then she's going to smoosh it down and make it into like a muddy kind of toothpaste kind of consistency.
Golden syrup.
Looks like golden syrup. That's perfect. So from here, you add it on to, you don't want to push it into our bodies and our heads. We just want to lie it on top. So scoop up that delicious looking golden syrup. Does it look like melted chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe melted chocolate.
Better than golden syrup.
Better than golden syrup.
Okay.
Together.
Yeah.
You just want to press it down a little bit, but just be careful not to lose the shape of your bunny. So here the girls are scratching both the bodies and the bunny's tails. Once they've finished scratching, they're then going to add that slip.
It's called a melted chocolate big thing because you can't see the bunny tail. Is that good?
Perfect. So now we have got 2 feet the same size, and we have scratched the fronts of our bunnies, and now we're just going to stick on our bunny's feet. As you can see, I've just got 2 bunny ears here, and then we've just popped 2 holes into our bunny's head. And to make the little bunny ears, we're just going to flatten out a piece of clay. With your loop tool, we're just going to make a bit of a stencil through your clay. Just like that, and then pop out your piece of clay. From here, just pinch that down into a bit of an angle, and that will be the start of your ear, keeping that roundness at the end. So I'm just pinching down just to flatten it off as I go and smoothing the edges. The kids again will just scratch up the inside, add some slip, and gently just push our ears into our bunnies' heads. And now we're just going to add some eyes and a nose and some whiskers to our bunnies. There we have our Easter bunnies. Just leave for a couple of days to dry before decorating and sealing, or enjoy in the raw form.